Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Paulami. Today I'm going to show you some summer hacks which are going to give you a glowing and detailing at the same time. So let's begin the video. Now, the ingredients you need for detailing or for getting a glowing skin is chilled milk, which you can call as thanda doodh. This is the one, and this one, the sandalwood powder. I bought it from Mysore. If you have the local one or it is available in any store or any market, you can use that one. And taking 2 tablespoons of sandalwood powder, or you can say Chandan. The thanda doodh or the chilled milk. Pour it little bit. Mix it up. If needed, pour more and mix it up. Here I am doing it with a spatula. If you have a spatula, that's okay, quite okay, and if you want you can use it by your hand too. And the mixture is perfectly ready to be applied onto our face. So basically you need a towel. Place 2 cubes of ice on it. Some products like ice roller and all are available in the market. I prefer to use it by a hanky. Or if you want, you can use the ice roller as well. Just rub it on your face for a few minutes. Allow it to dry it under fan. Wait for just 2 or 3 minutes. It will dry up. So now my mixture is ready to get applied to my face. तो अगर आप लोग चाहते हैं तो आप लोग अपना हाथ से भी यूज कर सकते हैं. मैं प्रेफर करती हूँ spatula. It should not be a runny one. If you want, you can do double coating. अगर आपको पसंद है तो आप डबल कोट भी कर सकते हैं. मुझे डबल कोट पसंद है. one more thing, removing your tan is a time tested thing, so you can't be sure like after applying this one your tan will be going immediately. For going immediately or removing the tan immediately, you need to wait for 2 to 3 weeks, and you need to apply this mask regularly after in a week, once in a week or twice in a week. If you get time, it's better if you use it twice in a week. Now you just need to wait for 10 minutes. Then you can wash your face with normal water, and then just do not rub your face with a towel. Just tap down, or you can just dry it under your fan. Wait for 5 minutes, it will be done. अभी अगर सूख गया this the way you can see अभी मेरा almost dry है. Full dry if you want you can do, or otherwise you can just अभी ऐसे circle करके धोना है. Make a circle move. Now I just washed my face. Face धोने के बाद you can see the instant shiny glow which I have on my skin. And one important thing, इसको कोई फेस वॉश या कुछ से नहीं धोना है. नॉर्मल पानी से, नॉर्मल टैप वाटर, इफ यू वांट यू कैन यूज फिल्टर वाटर टू, से सर्कल मोशन में इसको धोना है. धोने के बाद नॉर्मली पैट इट ड्राई फॉर फ्यू मिनट्स, स्टे अंडर द फैन, and then if you want you can apply your normal moisturizer, and do use it twice a week or once in a week if you get time. Thank you. Bye bye.